The city of Rancho Cucamonga has numerous designated bike lanes for cyclists. Even with these lanes, accidents between cars and bikes continue to happen. With the completion of the Pacific Electric Trail that spans nearly 18 miles and allows riders to stop traffic at crossings, some feel it is a much safer alternative to cycling on the busy city streets. Do you feel safer riding here on the Pacific Electric Trail than on the city streets?
Yeah, a lot safer. Here you can stop the cars. Every street you come to, you push a button, the cars stop, and there's no cars anyplace else. Out on the streets, in my 8 years of commuting, I can't tell you how close to accidents I came. Actually even had one accident, which was very serious.
Cyclists who choose to bike on the Pacific Electric Trail can take advantage of things such as resting in the shade the trail provides, such as its parks, or stopping to fill up on water before they run out. Run out of water on your long bike ride? That's okay. The Pacific Electric Trail's got you covered with numerous water fountains along the way to refill. Even though most cyclists agree the Pacific Electric Trail is the safest place to cycle, some still prefer the streets. Have you ever ridden on the Pacific Electric Trail before?
Yes.
Which do you prefer, riding on the Pacific Electric Trail or the city streets, and which one's safer?
I prefer the bike trail because it's safer, but you're only limited to where you can go, so you need to ride on city streets.
Whether you choose to ride the city streets or ride on the Pacific Electric Trail, the most important thing for all cyclists to remember is safety. Cyclists should always ride with a headlight and a tail light to let others know where they are in darker times, and the most important thing is a helmet to protect your head. I'm Kevin Harnden for OC News reporting.